Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to custom profile Steam. Open your Steam app. There, click on the profile icon and then on View My Profile. After that, click on the button Edit Profile. You will open the avatar section and then you can see some available avatars. In this case, we click on Upload your avatar. Select the desired image and click on Open. If you wish, you can make adjustments to the image. When you do, click on Save and you will see that your profile has been updated on Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.